This is a short guide on how to buy shares of BNB Plus Corp, ticker BNBX, a company listed on NASDAQ. This video is educational only and not financial advice. Please do your own research before investing. To buy shares, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before placing any trades. Use the platform search and type the ticker BNBX to locate the correct listing. Make sure you select the BNB Plus Corp entry listed on NASDAQ. Open the asset page to review basic company information and view the price chart. Confirm this is the BNB Plus Corp listing before you proceed to invest. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm to submit the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.